Hello everyone, I am Pooja Madiwar. I am studying in B.Ed first year at KLE Society's College of Education, Ankola. Let's talk about the human developmental stages. There are 5 stages in human development: prenatal stage, infancy stage, childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. Stage 1: Prenatal development, process in which human embryo, later fetus, develops during pregnancy from fertilization until birth is called prenatal development. Prenatal is literally equivalent to Latin word pre, which means before, and nasci, which means to be born. And then comes various stages of prenatal period: germinal stage or ovum stage, embryonic stage, and fetus stage. Germinal stage. This stage continues up to about 15 days after fertilization. Embryonic stage. The embryonic stage starts 2 weeks after germinal stage and goes up to the end of the second month, thus this duration of about 46 days. Fetus stage. This stage starts from the 29th or 30th day of pregnancy and goes up to birth of the infant on the expiry of about 280 days. Stage 2. Infancy stage. The term infant is typically applied to young children between the age of 1 month to 24 months. Literally meaning of infant is from the Latin word infans, which means unable to speak or speechless. Babies from birth to 1 year are called infants. Stage 3. Childhood. It refers to the biological, psychological, and emotional changes that occur in human beings between infancy and the starting of adolescence. Childhood is the age span ranging from infancy to adolescence. And then comes stages of childhood: toddler, preschooler, and primary school boy. Toddler. The baby gradually grows into a toddler. It slowly learns to crawl and then walk, talk, run, eat by itself, identify things in its surroundings. Preschooler. A preschooler communicates properly, reads and writes, makes friends, and does many more childhood activities. Primary schooler. A primary schooler has developed good muscle control and coordination, eye-hand coordination, thinking pattern, personal habits, and awareness of safety issues. Stage 4. Adolescence. This is the stage that a child grows into an adolescent through a period called puberty. Puberty usually takes place in the child's teenage years, starting from 13 years up to 19 years of age. Therefore, adolescents are called teenagers. But in some girls and boys, puberty takes place at the age of 10, 11, and 12 too. During puberty, a rapid growth and changes of the body takes place. During adolescence, both boys and girls will be taller, heavier, and stronger, get hairs under arms, on legs and arms, and around the genitals, gets more oily skin, and sweats more. At this period, boys also get a deep, rough voice, hair on face, broad shoulders, chests, and bigger muscles, while girls begin to develop their breasts, hips, and starts menstruating. Similarly, at this stage, the behavior patterns and attitudes of the teenagers will change as they are independent in doing their day-to-day activities. Stage 5. Adulthood. People who are from age 20 years to 65 years old are adults. Adults are at the right age to reproduce and make their own families. Adults can be divided into 3 stages: young adults 20 to 36 years, middle-aged adults 36 to 55 years, and old adults 55 to 65 years. I hope you all understood the topic. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.